What's up, guys? RPA Trucking and Survival. Here I am delivering for the 99. I'm over here in Lake Elsinore. Only thing I don't like about this account is the swing doors, but it's like anything, you get used to it. For the first few days, I was, forgetting to open those doors, so I would dock and then go back there, and I'm like, shit. I gotta open the doors because I'm used to the roll-up doors. But yeah, the 99 is you definitely do have to have a little experience before coming over here. I think they're asking for 12 months of experience. Nice thing is now it is right down the street from where I live, so it's literally a 10-minute drive from my house to get to work now, instead of making that drive from Southgate all the way to Ontario. It's like an hour's drive that I was doing for the past 5 months. So this is nice. I wake up, have my coffee, tend to my little youngster, do whatever needs to be done, enjoy my morning, and go to work. This account is packed, bro. There's like 260 people that they're monitoring over here at the 99, and you'll experience, sometimes where they don't answer, but I mean, if they don't answer once, you call back again and they'll answer. It's just really busy. So if you come over to this account, just be patient as possible, right? And if there's anything that bothers you, communicate it in a professional manner and they'll fix it, So for the most part, so far, they're outsourcing me right now, actually. Okay, I'm being outsourced. My official start date for the 99 is this coming Monday, but I've been outsourcing here since Monday. And like I said, I like it. So, I know that right now, El Super is having a hiring freeze. So if you aren't already at JB Hunt, you're not going to be able to get on that account. I'm not sure for the 99, but I'll update you on that and let you know. But as of right now, there's a hiring freeze for El Super account. Now, if you're in JB Hunt already and you want to transfer over, that's fine. That can still happen. That can still work. You know what? I might be wrong. The hiring freeze for the El Super account may also be internal. I'm not 100% sure. Video today was, basically just an update. I'm here at the 99. I had heard some bad things about it, but you know what, guys? This job is all about your attitude. If you got a sour attitude, it ain't gonna work out for you here. If you don't have a plan of action and how you're going to attack the trucking business, you're gonna have a bad time, because you're gonna be here in the same place, never having a plan of advancement, right? You're gonna feel stuck. Okay, so have a goal. All right, whether it's moving up here at JB Hunt or taking your truck driving experience to the owner-operator side of things, whatever it is that you are planning, make sure you have a plan, okay? So, the 99, as far as everybody here in LA, man, is pretty good account. I do not like the International. I prefer the Freightliner. The International is a little smaller inside. The Freightliner is a hell of a lot more spacious. When you're uncoupling and you hit the button for the fifth wheel unlock, the locking jaws, The International does this annoying thing where it's like beep, 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 and then it slows down. Beep, beep. And that's how you know the jaws have opened. Also, if you have your window open, you can hear the locking jaws release. So that's cool. But that goes for a Freightliner or an International. On the Freightliner, there's no noise. It just, there's an indicator on the dash that says, it tells you and confirms that the locking jaws have released the kingpin. So that's cool. That's why I like the Freightliner. More space. It's detailed, you know, as far as the dashboard when it comes to the kingpin locking jaws. And I mean, that's pretty much it, I think, you guys. I think I like the mirrors on the Freightliner better because they're just set up a little higher. Maybe it's just because I'm taller. I don't know. But I like the driver's side and passenger side mirrors, as well as the hood mirrors on the Freightliner over the International. So I like the mirrors a little better too. But hey, man, International's not bad. I mean, I'm not complaining. It works. Adjust your mirrors right and you won't have a problem, you know. For the most part, it's a pretty good, it's still a good truck, you know. I just prefer the Freightliner for, you know, for the room. And this is really, the things I'm mentioning you can really only understand through experience, right? If you're a smaller dude or gal, the International is going to be fine for you. No worries, nothing wrong. I just don't like that beep, you know, on the beep, 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 beep for the locking jaws. That's pretty much it. I mean, other than that, it's a good truck. Runs well. This one I'm driving here has got 44,000 miles on it. And for a second, on the dash, it read, well, first I noticed the feeling. And it was basically kind of stuck on, was it like 1,500 RPM, something like that? And on neutral. And then it came up on the dash, you know, that I guess the exhaust system temperature was too high. So it was warning me about that. I stopped for fuel and it stopped, right? You know, I turned off the truck, and basically when you do that, you know, you kind of do a reset. When you turn off the truck and then turn off the power is usually, you know, on your driver's side, right next to you between the door and the driver's seat on the floor. So you just switch that off, and I don't know, I guess kind of reset everything, and it didn't have the issue again after. Here I am in Lake Elsinore. I did that back in Ontario. So, you know, that's some miles. And it's still great. It's still fine. That indicator hasn't turned on and it's not over revving. So anyway, that's that. RPA Trucking and Survival. All you truckers out there, see you on the road.